What is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have another installation for the car. I will be installing some door handles for the car. Well, door handle covers, simply because, the car is white and door handles are like black with like a little carbon fiber look to them. They're not real carbon fiber, at least I don't think they are. I wanted to do that to the car so it looks a bit different. So yeah, let's get started with this. From the box you do get, all your pieces for all four doors. This is the long head. I believe it has the cut, or it's just a big long cut. And oh, no, here it is, my bad. Here is the little opening for the lights that come under the door handle for the welcoming lights. You get 4 long parts and 4 short ones. So let's get started. They do come with double-sided tape, so you just remove the red cover and go ahead and install it. This is what the part looks like. This is what the car looks like before it. We're gonna go ahead and start installing them. And this is the opening that I was telling you about, the light. So every time the car unlocks, this lights up at night. There's the first one. So you can't tell that there's, it's actually just a cover. So it's not all, it doesn't come all the way back here like I was expecting. But it just feels like it was shortened out a bit right there. See how that you have all the wide opening, but it's it doesn't feel so thick when you grab the door handle. So that's good. It feels a bit normal, just a bit thicker, but not uncomfortably. Alright, so there it is, guys. That's what the door handle covers look like on the car. Like I said, I wish it covered a little more. The back piece does cover like all of it, but the front one, just leaves a wider space, so you can see. But yeah, that's what it looks like now. Here's the other side. How to get inside, because as you can see, it's hot. It's like 95 degrees out there, so it's hot. It's not a long process. What actually takes the longest is to remove the red masking on the double-sided tape. But it's a quick installation. It doesn't take long. Just add pressure, so the tape sticks in good. And I like the look on the car now, but we got more parts coming to it, more videos coming up in the following week. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you're interested in the part, link will be in the description below, like always. And yeah, follow me on Instagram if you don't already. See you on the next video, guys. Peace.